Hey, everybody, it is Carla Silver with carlasilver.com. I'm going to show you today how you can market your network marketing business on any website in the world, including websites like New York Times, Huffington Post, Oprah.com, any blogger's website, your competitor's website. It doesn't matter. You're only limited by your own imagination. If you are meeting me for the first time, again, my name is Carla Silver, and I help serious network marketers build and automate their businesses online so they can rank up, make more money, and spend more time with the people they love most in the world. And isn't that why we all got started in our businesses in the first place? My goal is to give you the very best of tips and tricks and techniques that you can use and take into your business to build your business online. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you'll get notifications every single time that I put a video out. So on to what we're doing. So you're looking here at a website, Lonely Planet, that has a big nice picture of a city called Bangkok. And my husband and I not too long ago went to a company convention in Bangkok, and I'm sure you go to lots of company events yourself, certainly if you're successful. And so I have this picture here because I'm going to make a post and I'm going to advertise right here on Lonely Planet. So how do I do that? So I'm going to grab this URL and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go over to a website called Sniply. It's snip.ly, snip.ly. You can sign up for free. There are paid versions. I don't use any of the paid versions, so obviously you don't need to either. So I'm going to take that URL that I grabbed and I'm going to stick it right here in this slot here, and I'm going to click Create Snip. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to pick a call to action. And then my call to action is find out how I got to go paid to go to Bangkok. Let's use Bangkok since that would be right. And then you can make this button say anything you want. I'm going to leave it with yes, show me how. And then this button URL here directs them to a place where they can find out more information about my business and how to work with me. You're going to want to make sure to direct your prospects to the exact place where they can get all that information on whatever you're sending them to. And then I hit snip, and guess what? Yahoo! I've got a URL that I can copy. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the end result. It's going to direct them directly to that Lonely Planet page, but guess what? At the bottom here is an ad that's standing out on the page that says, find out how I got paid to go to Bangkok. Yes, show me how. And so this is super, super cool. So what can you do with this? Well, I'll give you an example. I'm going to go over to my Facebook feed, and this is my, my profile, and you can say something like that. Hey, just got back from Bangkok. Check this out. Put the URL there. It's going to preview that page. You can actually, once it's previewed, you can get rid of this and then hit post. And when somebody sees this in your news feed, all they have to do is click on this. They'll go to this page, and guess what? Your advertisement will be at the bottom. How cool is that? So I'm going to delete this real quick because I didn't just get back from Bangkok and I don't want this in my feed. But I want to urge you to use your imagination. You're only limited by that. So it can be stuff like trending news. If you put like health news, or I don't know what you're in. Maybe you're in essential oils. Maybe this is essential oils for weight loss. I Googled that, and you find a page that you like. Let's say 14 amazing essential oils for weight loss. You can do the same thing with this page. Control C, Sniply. What you will want to do is make sure that your call to action is appropriate to the page you're on. And so when I said find out how I got paid to go to Bangkok, that made sense, right? So if you need to build a new call to action, you just click on call to action, create a new call to action, And you are your brand, by the way. Your company, your products are not your brand. You are always your brand in network marketing. I like the button. Let's see if I'm going to do the essential oils article. Would be find out, get weight loss essential oils here. And maybe you have a 2-for-1 or free, like you buy one get one free here. Just make sure you're in integrity. Then you put the URL that you want to send those people to. Don't send them to carlasilver.com, and you hit continue. I leave all of this the same. Some of this is paid if you want colors here, so obviously I'm not paying for that, so I don't do that. Finish call to action, create a link. Oops. Snip, copy, and there you have your link that you can put anywhere. Facebook, LinkedIn, you can put it in an email, you can put it anywhere you want to, where you want to advertise on any website in the world for free. How cool is that? If you found value here, again, my name is Carla Silver. My goal is to give you tips, tricks, and techniques that you can take into your business today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll find the button here, and you'll get notifications every single time that I put out a useful video. Have an amazing day.